Korographics, manufactured by Korocil Interior Products LLC, brings over 50 years of innovation and experience servicing our customers with wall covering products. Our wall coverings have been a staple in the screen printing and graphic industry for years and have become the standard used throughout the wide format printing world as well. Korographics printable digital wall covering media utilizes our knowledge and experience to reinvent the world of digital imaging. The physical properties of Korographics make our products a superior alternative to pressure-sensitive vinyls. Plus, with the 5-year warranty, you can rest assured knowing you're using a quality product. Before beginning, make sure you have all the tools necessary for installation. Tools commonly used during this process are seam roller, straight edge, level plumb bob, vinyl trimmer seam buster, smoothing brush, smoothing blade, scissors, razor knife, razor blades, bucket and sponge, roller and pan. Wall covering should be installed in a climate-controlled environment. Prior to installation, we recommend that you allow the digitally printed wall covering mural to acclimate to the installation area for a minimum of 24 hours. We recommend installing wall coverings where installing and storing areas are 55 degrees Fahrenheit and above. Permanent building light should be available for installation. Next, carefully examine the substrate surfaces to make sure they are clean, dry, smooth, structurally sound, and free from surface defects and imperfections that could affect the visual quality and durability of the finished surface. On new walls, drywall joints should be taped, bedded, sanded smooth, and primed. Priming the surface will ensure a consistent color and protect against bleed-through. If you have any concerns regarding the surface conditions and you believe them to be detrimental to the proper and timely completion of the installation, please notify the contractor and architect in writing prior to installation. More information is available online at Korographics.com. Carefully review the installation instructions. The panel map provided should be consulted to assist with the layout process. Examine panels for color uniformity and consistency of design and determine that they are the correct image and color as specified for the correct location. If you come across excessive variations in color or image, please notify the manufacturer's representative so they can inspect prior to install. It is recommended that the wall is measured and marked with a graphite pencil to ensure placement of each panel is correct. Next, we are ready to cut then install each panel sequentially. Factory edges must be removed prior to installing. Remember to use a sharp blade with every cut to ensure a clean line. Apply an even coat of adhesive to backside of material using a stiff bristle brush, roller, or pasting machine in accordance with label recommendations. For this application, we are using a roller. It is recommended that a commercial-grade wall covering paste, such as heavy-duty A8 48B adhesive or Roman's clay-based wall covering paste, be used. The booking method of folding can be used to keep the adhesive wet. This will also help in handling the panels to ensure an easy installation. The wall covering should be applied to the wall as soon as it has become tacky. Make sure the panels are lined up along the measured lines. Smooth the surface, working out air bubbles as you go. If you notice a bubble in the wall covering once the panel is on the wall, peel back and reapply. Wall covering can be easily moved around if done so within 30 minutes to an hour after application. The overlapping and double cutting method is recommended when applying your digital graphics. This ensures a tight seam that is virtually unrecognizable. Be sure to use a sharp blade when making these cuts. Do not score drywall when double cutting. Remove excessive adhesive along finished seams immediately after each wall covering strip is applied. Use clean warm water, a natural sponge, and clean towels. It is important to change the water often and clean all the paste off the wall where a filmy residue may appear as it dries. Vertical joint should not occur less than 18 inches from outside corners. Finally, once the wall covering has been installed, it's time to clean up. You'll want to make sure the facility looks just like it did when you came in. Remove surplus materials and any trash and debris resulting from installation. Remember to leave the area in a neat and orderly fashion. One last thing, don't forget to take a look at the facility and your finished work. Congratulations! You just installed Korographics digital wall covering media.